So I've been working on a denim drop pouch, and during that process I tinned the cloth, so to speak, or waxed the denim, and this is how it turned out. There are about 100 to 200 different recipes for this on the internet, and I just thought I'd quickly show you the recipe that I use for creating tin cloth, specifically when working with denim. I know you can work with canvas, you can work with certain different types of material to make tin pants or jackets or whatever, but for working with denim, just regular old pants leg denim, as you can see here for this pouch, this is the recipe that I use. It's very simple. It is 1 part to 1 part to 1 part of each item. You use 1 part of whatever wax you're using. As you can see here, I'm using a block of golf wax. You use 1 part of mineral spirits, and then you use 1 part of boiled linseed oil. So that's it. You take these 3 items, you put them in a container which you can safely heat them in. That is going to be totally up to you to maintain the safety on that. You can use a double boiler, you can use an old crock pot. I'm not going to show that part here, but once the entire process is done, this is what I end up with. This jar here in the middle is the complete concoction. Actually, this is what's left over after it's set back up from using it on the denim pouch that I'm working on. So how well does this particular solution work? Well, you can see here, we will take the denim pouch and we'll pour some water over top of it. And hopefully you can see that the water beads right up and rolls right off the pouch. Again, this isn't designed to be submerged or anything like that. This is just to keep rainwater off, something along those lines. So that's the recipe that I use for creating wax denim. The method for applying the solution to the denim is fairly simple. You just paint it on with a paintbrush. You let it set up a little bit. It'll be kind of clumpy at first, but then if you hit that with a heat gun or a hair dryer or something like that, it'll soak into the denim. And then you just repeat the process until you get the level of waterproofing that you're looking for. So hopefully this video gave you some ideas of how you can do something like this on your own. If it did, well, I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to leave a comment below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.